Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me show me Redmi 12C device, and now I'm gonna show you how to set caller ID announcement on this device. So firstly open phone application and go back. Great. And now here on the right top corner, click on the three dots button. Click settings and scroll down and find here caller ID announcement. Announce caller ID, and great. Here we have no button, only when using a headset, and always. So I don't know when you want to announce your caller ID, so you need to enable it to use it with your live scenes. For example, when I am riding a bike and listen to music in my Bluetooth headphones, so headsets. So I am using only when using a headset, and my smartphone is in a backpack, and in this way I am hear the sounds. I am here who calls me. So great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.